In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add numbers in Trello cards. Trello is a versatile tool that many people use for organizing projects, tracking tasks, and managing workflows. But did you know you can customize it to fit specific needs by adding number fields to your cards? This feature can be particularly useful for keeping track of budgets, quantities, scores, or any other data where numbers are important. So, let's walk through this straightforward process and enhance your Trello experience. To begin with, you'll need to navigate to the card on your Trello board where you'd like to add numerical information. Simply click on that card to open it up. Once the card is open, look for the Add button. This is your gateway to a wide range of customization options, and it's what will allow us to enrich our card. After you click Add, you'll notice an option called Custom Fields. Select this option. Custom fields are an incredibly powerful feature in Trello that let you go beyond just text and checklists. They give you the capability to structure information on the card in a way that's most useful to you and your team. Next, you'll want to create a new field with an appropriate title. Think about what kind of numerical information you're going to track. It could be anything from budget to points, or even something project-specific. Make sure the title is descriptive enough for you and your team to easily understand its purpose. Once you've decided on a title, you'll need to set the field type to number. Choosing this option is crucial because it automatically formats the numbers you input, which means when you type a large number, Trello will add commas at the thousand and million marks for clarity. This formatting can be a huge help in avoiding errors when reading or transcribing numbers. However, a quick word of caution. If you're thinking about adding phone numbers to your Trello cards, the number field type might not be the best choice. Since phone numbers can include leading zeros and don't typically use commas, the text field type would be more suitable for that purpose. The text option will keep the numbers exactly as you input them without any additional formatting. And just like that, you have successfully added a number field to your Trello card. This small change can greatly enhance how you track and interpret data directly within Trello, ensuring that everything you need is right at your fingertips. Happy organizing, and I hope you find this tip as helpful as many others have. Thank you for watching, and feel free to check out other videos to make the most of your Trello boards.